Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy if you're brand new here, and today I wanted to style a little black dress 5 different ways. Actually, I can probably do more than 5 different ways, so I'll show you different alternatives of the 5 different ways that I am thinking of styling this little black dress. This particular dress is from Lily Silk, and it is a very timeless classic design with a very beautiful square neckline with a side zipper here, and it has a very straightforward, very classic and simple silhouette above knee length for me, with a small slit here in the back. I really like this square neckline here, which is also a favorite of the royals because it shows off a lot of the collarbone. So this dress is 100% silk, if I haven't mentioned it already. And the reason why I love silk, you guys know I am a big fan of silk. Not only is it a natural fabric, but it is actually quite easy to care for. It's hypoallergenic. It's really great for travel. So for example, if I were to bring this little black dress on a trip, you can wash it at night and just hang dry, and you can wear it the next day. Silk is also a hypoallergenic material, so molds and bacteria and bugs, they don't like silk, and that is the reason why it's very hygienic to wear silk. And also because of its breathability, it's also very moisture wicking, and it keeps a good temperature for your body as well. It's never too hot or never too cold. It has natural properties that help speed up the metabolism of your skin cells, so it's also anti-aging in that sense, and I think that's why it's good for your skin and your hair. I do notice that by sleeping on silk beddings and silk pillowcases and silk comforters, that not only is it more comfortable to sleep in and easier to fall asleep, I just feel like my skin is a little bit healthier. I mean, it's very subtle, but I do notice it. Because silk is a natural material, it doesn't tend to be as staticky as a lot of the synthetic material is. Last but not least, silk is a super durable material, so if you care for it properly, it will last you for at least 15 to 20 years. So the first way that I'm gonna style this dress is by accessorizing it. So for example, if you went to work during the day and you just want to go out after work, or if you have a date night, or for whatever reason you're going to see your girlfriends or whatnot, the way I style it is by adding a belt and a nice handbag to it. So I use my Chanel belt because it has this beautiful gold and leather intertwined with it, so it's super cute and very blingy. I also liked it with just a plain belt as well, so I have this Hermes belt which goes super well with it. I think the Hermes being super clean goes very well with the super clean look as well. Even if you don't have any designer belts, it doesn't matter. There are so many different leather belts out there that are very, very cute. This other option that I style it with is with my Banana Republic belt, which I bought a long time ago. I thought it was super cute. I liked the very dainty gold detail with the double buckle in the front. I thought it was super cute and really nice to cinch in any outfit. The second way I style it is one of my favorite ways, and also a super simple way to style this dress, is by wearing it as a top. Wear it with your favorite skirt or midi dress that is slightly longer, and it becomes another outfit. The third way that I like to style this dress with is by just adding a blazer. If you work in a corporate environment, or if you're just a big fan of blazers like me, I'm a super huge fan of blazers and I have so many of them. So pick any blazers, honestly. This dress is so versatile, so I styled it with this Balmain Blazer and it works super well. I also styled it with my check blazer, which is still very trendy at the moment. The trend started like 2 years or last year, I think, and it's still going super strong. So even though this check blazer is a little bit more boyfriend style, slightly less body hugging, it still looks really, really good. The fourth way that I style this dress is by wearing a blazer dress on top. So I'm kind of treating it as an underwear almost. So I have this really beautiful Zara dress blazer that is also black with this very inspired Balmain look. The dress blazer itself is kind of on the shorter side, and also if I didn't have any sort of little tank top underneath, it will just look a little bit too revealing. But by having this dress underneath, it looks like it's part of the whole outfit. And the nice thing about silk fabric is that because it's so lightweight, also thin enough and drapey enough that you can easily tuck inside a jacket, a blazer, or even another dress. And the fifth way that I decided to style this dress with is by turning it into a fall outfit by putting a oversized sweater on top, so it looks like it's part of the whole look. You can even cinch it in if you want. If you have like a Gucci belt or just like any statement belt, just cinch in at the waist, it will look super good. And if it's a little colder that day, then you can add some knee-length boot or over-the-knee boots. Those are superb with this oversized look on top, but super slouchy and casual. So it's a perfect fall look. You can even do that with the blazer look as well. Just by adding a blazer and some knee-length boot or over-the-knee boot, it totally transforms it into a fall outfit. So as you can see, this little black dress is super versatile, and honestly, I can probably style it with more than 5 ways, but I decided to stop at 5. These are my main ideas on how I would probably style this dress with, and that's why I really like this particular dress, because it's such a classic. You can travel with it if you don't want to pack too many clothes. One dress plus a few other pieces, you can really pull off so many different looks and so many different days of wear. If it's too wrinkly, like I said earlier, use my trick. Just hang it inside the bathroom when you take a shower. All the steam and just the gravity overnight, it will pull it, it will become straight, and you can just wear it the next day. Unless it's super wrinkly, then of course you need an iron or you need to steam it, but honestly, silk is such an easy fabric to care for. There's also 4 other styles of little black dress that is currently on sale at Lily Silk, and I have a coupon code. I actually have 2 coupon codes for you guys. So one is my main coupon code, which I always had, and it's 15% off site-wide on all regular price items. But because these dresses right now are on sale until October 6th, I have a separate coupon code only for these dresses for 10% off, so an additional 10% off on top of the sale price until October 6th, I believe. So I'll leave all those links down below, and like I said, I only chose this one, but there's actually 2 other styles that I really like as well. I really like the one that has this sort of like can't really describe the sleeve, but it's basically sleeveless, but it has like little cap detail. It's very cute, and it has this cowl neckline. And the other one is a v-neck, also with sleeves, but the sleeves are slightly longer and the skirt part is asymmetrical. That one is actually really pretty, and that one would also be super easy to style. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it or found inspiration on how to style one dress or one piece of clothing multiple ways. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. If you're brand new here, I would love to have you back, so please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let me know which look was your favorite. I would be so curious to know. Thank you so much again, and have a great week. I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye!